Hey guys, it's your girl Nurse Nina. Let me ask you something. How many times have you worried about your CNA or home health aide license expiring or wondering, did I do my CEs right? Or try to figure out the renewal process and felt completely overwhelmed? You are not alone. I've seen so many amazing, hardworking CNAs and home health aides almost lose their license. Not because they didn't care, but because nobody showed them how to stay on track. That's exactly why I created the CNA HHA CE Renewal community. This is not just another group, this is your support system. Inside this community, you'll get step-by-step renewal application video training, real-time updates so you'll never miss a deadline again, CNA exam prep support if you need to retest or level up, free resources, tools, and guidance, and a community of people just like you, trying to grow, stay compliant, and build a better future. No more guessing, no more last-minute stress, no more risking your license. Because let's be real, you've worked too hard to let paperwork or confusion hold you back. At Nina Nurses, we believe you take care of patients, we take care of you. So if you're ready to stay updated, stay licensed, and stay ahead, join today our CNA HHA CE Renewal community because your career deserves support, structure, and success. All right, you guys, see you in class. God bless.